Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Hope you all are good and healthy at home. It's a reading time. I have a reader. A new dog. A new dog. Now start reading. Today we learn how to read the sentence. What we learn today? Today we learn how to read the sentence with blending the sounds. Now you must repeat after me. Understand? This is a first page and we start reading. It's K, E, double P is here. It's P sound. When two sounds join, then we called P. Double P, P. R is a digraph. R is a digraph. When two sounds join together and make a new sound, it's called digraph. K, E, P, R. K, E, P, R. Kipper. V, A. A is a long sound. A is a long sound. V, A, N, T, Ed. Ed again is digraph. Wanted. Wanted. Kipper wanted a dog. Kipper wanted a dog. A, V, R. When Y comes at the end of the letter, its sound is changed into E sound. Now we call A, V, R, E. Every. A, V, R, E. One is a sight word. Now we call O-N-E one. And now look here, it's a split sound, O and E. When two vowels and in the middle it's a consonant, we call it's split sound. Every one. Every, O-N-E, one. Every one. E, V, A, V, R, E. Every, O-N-E, one. Everyone, wanted. 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 A is a long sound. Dog, a dog. Everyone wanted a dog. Everyone wanted a dog. Now once again, it's a digraph. T and H makes a new sound. Its sound is the. The, a. The, a. They. The, a. They. Wo, a, nt, went. Wo, a, nt, went. Two is a sight word. TO2. The and E silent here. The. They went to the dogs home. Again split sound is here. O and E. Home. 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 They went to the dog's home. Once again, the a. They went to the dogs home. They went to the dog's home. The a. They. Double O is here. Oo. Oo sound but with little pressure. Oo. Ed again digraph. They looked. They looked at. At is a sight word. The again sight word. Dogs. They looked at the dogs. The a. They looked at the dogs. They looked at the dogs. Now this is a page number 8. K-E-P-R. Kipper. Double P is here. K-I-P-R is a digraph. K-I-P-R. Kipper. Wanted. Wanted. Kipper wanted. Is this. Kipper wanted this dog. A dog. Kipper wanted this dog. Kipper wanted this dog. Kipper wanted this dog. Page number 10. B-E double F is here. Biff. Biff. Wanted. Wanted. Biff wanted. Is this dog. A dog. Biff. Biff is here. Biff wanted this dog. Biff wanted this dog. Page number 12. Mum. 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 Wanted. 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 Is this. Mum wanted this dog. A dog. Mum wanted this dog. Once again, start reading. Mum wanted this dog. Page number 13. It is a sight word. It was again sight word, but we start reading as was. It was two. It was two. Strong is a sight word. Strong. Strong. It's a sight word. We just look here and start reading. Strong. It is a sight word. Again sight word. Again sight word. And this one also a sight word. It was too strong. It was too strong. It was too strong. Page number 14. Every. 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 O-N-E-one. Everyone. One is a sight word. Everyone liked. It. Liked. Is this dog. A dog. Everyone liked this dog. This is a sight word. Everyone liked this dog. Everyone liked this dog. They took. They took. The E silent here. They took the dog. A dog. They took the dog home. Home. O and E is a split sound. Home. They took the dog home. Once again, they took. They took the E silent here. They took the dog. A dog. They took the dog home. Home. They took the dog home. I hope the video is useful for you. Now start reading. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.